Fixing Things is a pre-war repair magazine filled with guides for amateur and professional mechanics alike, featuring tips on maintaining tools, fixing appliances, and handling complex repair jobs. Reading it increases the repair skill by 10 points, 20 with the comprehension perk, for 60 seconds, 180 with retention. Location: found at Camp Golf, in the House Resort, second floor on a table next to a programmer's digest in the center room with a non-functioning terminal.